To manage GEO effectively, you need clear metrics. Without them, you are guessing about whether AI systems actually cite you, and guessing does not scale. In this lesson, we walk through the key performance indicators for measuring AI visibility success. We group them into 4 families. Foundational metrics cover citation rate, citation accuracy, share of AI voice, and citation position. Traffic metrics cover AI referral traffic, AI traffic quality, and citation to click rate. Brand metrics cover AI brand mentions and brand search correlation. Content metrics cover citability score, citation coverage, and topic citation depth. Then we put them into a tiered KPI framework, set realistic targets, and finish with a reporting template you can reuse. Start with citation rate. It is the percentage of your target queries where your content is cited. Divide the queries with a citation by the total target queries and multiply by 100. So if you track 50 target queries and you are cited in 20 of them, your citation rate is 40%. For benchmarks, 10 to 20% means you are new to GEO, 30 to 50% is a moderate presence, and above 50% is a strong presence. Track it with manual or automated query monitoring across platforms. Next comes citation accuracy, which is how accurately AI systems represent your content. Sort each citation into accurate, partial, inaccurate, or outdated. This matters because inaccurate citations can harm your brand, and they signal that your content structure or formatting needs to be clearer. Share of AI voice compares your citation presence to your competitors. Divide your citations by the total citations for the topic and multiply by 100. Take CRM pricing queries as the example. You get 15 citations, competitor A gets 12, and competitor B gets 8. That is 35 citations in total, so your share of AI voice is 43%. It tells you your competitive positioning inside AI responses and your market share in AI-driven discovery. Citation position is about where you appear in those citations. You can be a primary source, meaning first or most prominently cited. You can be a secondary source, supporting or additional. Or you can be a tertiary source, a minor mention or footnote. Primary citations get more visibility and may correlate with click-through. Now, the traffic side. AI referral traffic is simply visits coming from AI platforms. Perplexity referrals are identifiable in analytics, ChatGPT referrals when available, plus other AI platforms. Track total AI referral sessions, AI referrals as a percentage of total traffic, and the month-over-month growth rate. AI traffic quality asks how engaged those visitors are. Compare bounce rate for AI traffic against your other traffic. Then look at pages per session, time on site, and conversion rate. High-quality AI traffic validates that your citations are working. Low quality may mean the citation context is off. Citation to click rate is the percentage of citations that produce clicks. It is hard to measure directly, but you can estimate it by dividing AI referral traffic by estimated impressions. It shows how compelling your citations really are. Brand metrics come next. AI brand mentions track how often AI mentions your brand, not just links to you. There are 3 categories: direct recommendations, where the AI says, try your brand; comparative mentions, where it is your brand versus a competitor; and reference mentions, where it says according to your brand. Brand search correlation looks at changes in brand searches tied to your AI visibility, tracked over time and compared against competitor brand search trends. On the content side, the content citability score is a composite. Score specific statistics, clear structure, author credentials, source citations, and freshness from 0 to 10 each, for a total on a 0 to 50 scale, and use it to prioritize improvements. Citation coverage is cited content pieces divided by total content pieces. Topic citation depth measures breadth across topics and depth within one. 12 metrics is a lot to watch, so organize them into 3 tiers. Tier 1 is your primary KPIs, reviewed weekly. That is citation rate, with a target of 50% against a current 35%. AI referral traffic, targeting 500 a week against a current 320, and citation accuracy, targeting 95% against a current 88. Tier 2 is secondary KPIs, reviewed monthly. Share of AI voice targeting 40% against 28. Average content citability, targeting 40 out of 50 against 32. And AI traffic quality, targeting 2.5 plus pages against 1.8. Tier 3 is strategic KPIs, reviewed quarterly. Brand search correlation, aiming for positive. Citation coverage, targeting 60% against 40. And new topic expansion, 5 topics against 3. Before you set a single target, measure your current state for 30 days, establish baselines for every key metric, and get a feel for the variance and patterns. Targets without a baseline are just wishes. Then be realistic, because GEO improvements take time. In months 1 to 3, focus on measurement and baseline. In months 3 to 6, aim for a 10 to 20% improvement. In months 6 to 12, target significant gains of 30 to 50%. Finally, set targets relative to your competition. If you are leading, maintain or extend the lead. If you are lagging, close the gap gradually. And if it is an emerging topic, focus on establishing early presence before anyone else does. The right target depends on where you actually sit in the field. Wrap it all in a simple report. Your executive summary lists key wins, like citation rate rising from 30 to 42%, becoming the #1 cited source for CRM pricing queries, and AI referral traffic up 25% month over month. Then challenges like a low citation rate for implementation topics and accuracy dropping on an outdated pricing page. Then focus for next month, such as updating that pricing page, creating implementation guide content, and targeting 5 new query areas. Below that, include your full metric tables with trends and commentary. So that is citation rate, accuracy, share of AI voice, traffic, brand, and content metrics, inside a tiered framework with realistic targets. Try it yourself right now on the lesson page at FreeAcademy.ai using the interactive prompt playground, or paste your own metrics into ChatGPT or Claude and have it draft your first report. Next lesson, we build a full GEO monitoring strategy.